This will give you the full idea of the volume of stuffed animals we had in our attic. Come take me home. This is the other side. Aw, aren't they cute? Who wouldn't want me? I think they multiplied up there in the attic. There are some rabbits in there. Now look over here. Some bigger ones. Newer ones. Remember these? A little sunny there. Hope they have their sunscreen on. And then this little coffee clatch. And there you have it. Come claim me.